Okay, so hello you guys. Today I'm back again with a delicious eat. And I call these beef patties, you could call them meat patties. Um, but here's my spin on it. So these are actually regular Pillsbury biscuits that I'm just rolling out, grands. And as you can see, you want to flatten them out. So you just want to roll them out a little bit. And I love this roller. It's nice and small and not too big. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can buy it. But again, you just want to roll them out. And I'm using ground beef, but you can use chicken, you can use turkey, any meat you want. And I season this with onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of adobo. And I'm just going to put a spoonful here and a spoonful on this one. And a spoonful, maybe a little bit more. And on this one, we're going to put some mozzarella cheese. And you can use any cheese you want. Cheddar cheese on this one. This one I'm going to leave plain. And on the mozzarella, I'm going to put a little bit of pepperoni. I'm using turkey pepperoni, but you can use the kind that you like. I think 3 is enough. Put one more. And I'm also going to put a little bit of pizza sauce. And if you don't like tomatoes, you can leave it off. It's still delicious. Okay, so now you just want to fold it over and you want to stretch it a little bit and fold. Okay. Now let me wipe my hands. Sometimes that happens. I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to seal it. And you want to take the ends and bring them up and fold them over. Bring this up and again fold it over. Do the same thing with this one. There we go. And again, I'm going to take a fork and seal it. And I'm going to fold it over again. And you just pretty much just fold it in over on itself. Same thing with this one. And these are wonderful treats to have when the kids come home, or you just want to put something out on the table really fast. And we're just folding it, make sure it's closed. Okay. Now, I'm just going to move it to my pan. Let me get this over here. And you want to put it face down. And this one as well. And it only takes about, I say about 8 minutes on 350 degrees in your oven. And you want to start to check it after 5 minutes. So this is a quick treat. I'm going to put it in the oven and I'll be right back. Okay, so there you have it. Another delicious eat. Please take a minute, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know which one did you like. The one with pepperonis and mozzarella cheese, the one with cheddar cheese, or just the plain meat patty. Oh, they are so delicious. And there we go. Another delicious eat. Again, A real fast and easy treat to have on the table for your family, for friends that's coming over, and you could give them any name you want. Meat patties, meat bombs. Again, until next time, enjoy.